マキマさん、好きな男のタイプとかあります？
Hello everyone! Welcome to Learn Japanese with Anime. I'm Jasmine. On my channel, you can learn real Japanese through conversations used by anime characters. I created 4 questions that strengthen your listening skills and increase your vocabulary. For each question, listen to the conversation and fill in the blank space with the most appropriate word of the 4 options. There are 3 levels of difficulty: advanced, intermediate, and beginner. First, for advanced, a conversation with Japanese subtitles will be played. Then, for intermediate, Roman characters will be added to the Japanese subtitles. Lastly, for beginner, Roman characters will be added to the 4 options. Choose your answer while the conversation is played 3 times. After checking the answer, we will practice pronunciation together. Well, let's get started.
Question 1. Advanced.
うどん食っていいっすか？
Intermediate.
うどん食っていいっすか？
Beginner.
うどん食っていいっすか？
Answer.
Denji asked, うどん食っていいっすか? The answer is B. うどん.
Udon.
Check out the other options. 布団,
Japanese quilted mattress.
理論,
Theory.
議論,
Argument, discussion. Pronunciation practice.
Please repeat after me. 布団, 理論, 議論, うどん. Now listen to the word in English and pronounce it in Japanese.
Japanese quilted mattress. Theory. Argument. Udon.
Great job!
Question 2. Advanced.
こんな伸びてるうどんも美味しいだなんて、君はけなげだね。
Intermediate.
こんな伸びてるうどんも美味しいだなんて、君はけなげだね。
Beginner.
こんな伸びてるうどんも美味しいだなんて、君はけなげだね。
Answer.
Makima said, こんな伸びているうどんを美味しいだなんて、君はけなげだね。The answer is A. 美味しい.
Delicious, tasty.
Check out the other options. おかしい,
Funny, amusing.
怪しい,
Suspicious, dubious.
眩しい.
Dazzling. Pronunciation practice.
Please repeat after me. 美味しい. おかしい. 怪しい. 眩しい. Now listen to the word in English and pronounce it in Japanese.
Delicious, amusing. Suspicious. Dazzling.
You are getting better and better.
Question 3. Advanced.
本当に犬みたい。
Intermediate.
本当に犬みたい。
Beginner.
本当に犬みたい。
Answer.
Makima said, 本当に犬みたい. The answer is D. 犬.
Dog.
Check out the other options. 色,
Color.
椅子,
Chair.
稲,
Rice plant. Pronunciation practice.
Please repeat after me. 色, 椅子, 稲, 犬. Now listen to the word in English and pronounce it in Japanese.
Color. Chair. Rice plant. Dog.
You are so great!
Question 4. Advanced.
マキマさん、好きな男のタイプとかあります？
Intermediate.
マキマさん、好きな男のタイプとかあります？
Beginner.
マキマさん、好きな男のタイプとかあります？
Answer.
Denji asked, マキマさん、好きな男のタイプとかあります？ The answer is C. 好きな.
Favorite.
Check out the other options. スケベな,
Lustful. Lewd.
素直な,
Honest. Compliant.
素敵な,
Charming. Enchanting. Pronunciation practice.
Please repeat after me. スケベな, 素直な, 好きな, 素敵な. Now listen to the word in English and pronounce it in Japanese.
Lustful. Honest. Favorite. Charming.
That's great! It's game time! Let's play games using the 16 Japanese words presented today. Match words. I prepared 2 match words quizzes for you. Connect words with the same meaning with a line before the time runs out. At the last 5 seconds, Roman subtitle will be added to the Japanese options. Are you ready? Let's begin!
Answer. Favorite.
好きな
Color.
色
Funny.
おかしい
Japanese quilted mattress.
布団 You're doing a good job.
Pronunciation practice.
Please repeat after me. おかしい色布団好きな Now listen to the word in English and pronounce it in Japanese.
Favorite. Color. Funny. Japanese quilted mattress.
Excellent!
Answer. Udon.
うどん
Dog.
犬
Lustful.
スケベな
Tasty.
おいしい You're doing a good job.
Pronunciation practice.
Please repeat after me. 犬スケベなうどんおいしい Now listen to the word in English and pronounce it in Japanese.
Udon. Dog. Lustful. Tasty.
Amazing! Word search puzzle. I prepared 2 word search puzzles for you. For each puzzle, I will give you 4 English words. You translate them into Japanese words and try to find them between the letters. The words can go sideways or they can go down. Ready? Go!
Answer. Charming.
素敵な
Discussion.
議論
Dazzling.
眩しい
Chair.
椅子 Keep on trying.
Pronunciation practice.
Please repeat after me. 素敵な議論眩しい椅子 Now listen to the word in English and pronounce it in Japanese.
Charming. Discussion. Dazzling. Chair.
Perfect.
Answer. Rice plant.
稲
Suspicious.
怪しい
Theory.
理論
Honest.
素直な Keep on trying.
Pronunciation practice.
Please repeat after me. いいね。怪しい。理論。素直な。Now listen to the word in English and pronounce it in Japanese.
Rice plant. Suspicious. Theory. Honest.
Fantastic. That's all. How did it go? If you did learn something new, make sure to click that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I really appreciate you. I will see you in the next video. じゃあねー。